I have been recently learning shell scripting, and today I have created a new project to practice shell scripting. So here we can see the problem statement. So this script is to create a new user. It's a local user with the automatic generation of password and the username given by the admin. So this script is usually written for the use of system admins. So the requirements to create the script should be executed only from root user, and the arguments should be given such as username and other info for the user in order to create a new user. The password should be auto generated for the first time for the user, and upon successful execution of the script, this information will be shown on the terminal: username, password, and host name. So to create this script, first I provided some information like the which bash should be used, date, and this is revision 1 of my project, so I put this one. The first thing is only root user can execute the script. So here I am checking if only a root user should be running the script, otherwise it will show the error. Next step is check if at least one argument has been passed. So the username must be passed in order to create a user. If no argument has been provided by the admin or by the user who is trying to create the new user, this will show an error that and it will help the admin to know like username must be provided. Here I have mentioned like any extra information, like suppose admin is providing 3 or 4 arguments, right? So the first argument should be username, and everything else should be mentioned as a comment. So the script will mention everything else or other arguments, the remaining arguments after first argument, as a comment or as a extra info. To generate a random password, I am using a pwgen utility. Using this, I am creating a new automated generated password for each user. Here I am checking if user already exists or no. Like if user already exists in the system, it will tell the admin this username is already exist. Otherwise, it will create new user using useradd command. And this part, it shows the information about the created user. So now I will show you how this script works. Alright, so right now I'm in my terminal. So here I will execute my script. So first I will execute a script like a normal user. So it shows me a message, please run script as root user. It's because I want this script to run only from a user or like a admin. I want only admin to have privilege to add new users. So now I will try to log in as a root user and then try to execute the script again. Well, so now I'm logged in as a root user. So let's execute the script again. So here I'm not providing any arguments because I have provided a condition in my script, like if no arguments has been provided, it should help the user or the admin to let them know that they need to provide a username in order to create a new user in the system. So let's see if that works. So here it's showing me a message, username must be provided to create user. So let's provide a username and some information about user and create a new user. Forgot this one. So I will create new user by name John, and any arguments I will provide after first argument, it will get considered as a comment. So let's provide a full name of John as a comment or as information about user. So let's provide John Smith. So here, as you see, I provided three arguments here. So let's see how this will work. Alright, it's showing me user has been added, password expiry information changed, and username and the automated password, the first time password, and the host name. And now let's try to log in as a new user that we have recently created. Okay, so it's showing me an error. User John does not exist or the user entry does not contain all the required fields. I made a mistake here. So what I did, if you see here, when I passed the argument, the username, I provided a capital J. But here I wrote lowercase j. So let's try to log in again with correct username. Okay, so as I showed you in a script, I forced a password change during the first login of user, of new user, right? So this is the first time John is logging in. So the system asked him to change the password immediately. So by providing current password, okay, so now let's provide a new password. Okay, so the password has changed. We are logged in as a John user that we have recently created. Here you can see. And this is how my script works right now. And I want to add one more thing into my script. So I will add that script right now when I'm recording this tutorial. So let's exit from this new user first. And we are also out from root user. Actually, we can also edit the script from root user also. So let's read the script again. Okay, right now. So right now in this script I'm showing username, password, and the host name. I also want to show the extra info about my user, the one that was added in the comment section. So let's see how will I print that information. So to do that I will just copy this one, paste it here, and here I will change the values. Okay, so we will make it comment, and here I will access the variable comment. So I think it should. I didn't add the dollar sign. Okay, so now it's up. We are accessing the variable. Okay, now let's see. Save the script and let's see what will it output. Okay, so now I'll create new user again with some different username. Actually, we can here also experiment or check one thing. I will provide the same username and let's see if it still says that user exists or it creates a new user. So here we are just checking the error piece. Oh, I didn't add forward slash, so it does not have to execute the file. Okay, now everything is fine. Let me check again. No, it's still I didn't add extension. Okay, I think it's fine now. Okay, user John already exists, so our error handling it works fine. So now create a new user to check if our new addition about info still works. Okay, I will provide Joe and the info I will provide Joe Smith, same like brothers. And now let's see. Alright, user has been added, the information has been changed, and the username is Joe, the password is this one, host name, comment Joe Smith. So at this point, my script is working fine till now, and this project is an inspiration from Prashant. From he has a YouTube channel, so I got get inspiration from his already did pro- he already did a project on his YouTube channel, so I got inspiration from his video and I tried to create this project by myself. So yeah, right now this is the entire project, and after working more on this project, maybe soon I will release revision 2 for this project. So please let me know if you have any suggestions to make more improvements in this project, and I will happy to work on them. Thank you so much.